that is possessive pronoun. Children, possessive word, what is the meaning of this? You have already heard in adjective also. Okay, possessive words are my, his, your, their. Okay, these are possessive words. When we add s at the last, generally, okay, they become possessive pronoun. How? If I say, suppose that this is my chalk, my word shows possession, means this chalk belongs to me. This is my chalk. I have ownership. So my is followed by chalk. Noun. So here my is possessive adjective. But if I say this chalk is mine, okay, so mine word is there, possessive pronoun. Here we will see the difference between possessive pronoun and possessive adjective. But before that, let me explain this. These pens are ours. Here, these pens, this is already explained. This, that, these are demonstrative words. Now, let me explain this. These pens are ours. This is possessive pronoun. Okay? Because pens belong to us. So, this is possessive pronoun. If I say, suppose that these are our pens. Here are pens. Here are is followed by noun. So they become possessive adjective. Clear? Difference between the possessive pronoun and possessive adjective. Now next, this book is mine. Here also we are talking about book, and book, whose book? My book. Okay. So this is possessive pronoun. This book is mine. Book belongs to me. If I say this is my book. Here my is followed by book. So my is possessive adjective. But here mine, this is not followed by any noun. So this is possessive pronoun. That house is his. Here also that house is his. It means this house that house belongs to him. So his, this is possessive pronoun. Why? You can see this is not followed by noun. Okay, this is not followed by noun. So this is possessive pronoun. And if you want to change into possessive adjective, how we will do? That is his house. So his, after that noun is there. So his becomes possessive adjective. And here we have added s, but here we will not add s. Double s is not needed here. Those books are theirs. Those books are theirs. Here also theirs shows possession. Okay. And we can, this is possessive pronoun because possessive pronoun, this is not followed by noun. But we can say those are their book. So here their book, their word is followed by noun. So there is possessive adjective. Clear the difference between possessive pronoun and possessive adjective? Here I have written possessive adjective also in sentences. Let's see. We have lost our pens. Here you can see. We are talking about pen and this belongs to us. Here our is possessive word and this is followed by noun. So here it becomes possessive adjective. Clear? We have lost our pens. This is my book. Here also my, this is possessive word and just after noun is written. Okay, this is followed by noun. So this is possessive adjective. You can change, this is my pen, my book, this book is mine. Here my word becomes possessive pronoun. But here my word is possessive adjective because this is followed by noun book. He has found his book. Here also his book. This is possessive adjective because this is followed by book noun. They have done their work. Here also their work. This is possessive adjective. Why? Because this is followed by noun. Only you have to keep in mind when these words are followed by noun, they become possessive adjective. When they are not followed by noun, and generally we add s at the last except mine. Okay, they become possessive pronoun.
Now let's do exercise number 4. Fill in the blanks with suitable possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. Children, I have already explained what are possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. In possessive adjectives, you will see these words, possessive words, are followed by noun. And possessive pronouns are not followed by noun. Let's do this exercise. I have lost my pen. Can I have one of yours? Here you can see my word, this is possessive word, and this is followed by noun. So this is possessive adjective because this is followed by noun. Can I have one of yours? Here no need of writing any noun. Okay, it means it is understood we are talking about pen. So no need of writing pen again. So this is possessive pronoun. This has taken the place of noun. So we have not written pen. Anil has lost his pen. Here also his word, this is followed by noun. So this is possessive adjective. Ask Maya if she can lend him hers. Hers, it is understood that we are talking about pen. So no need of writing pen again. So this is possessive pronoun. We've had our breakfast. Our, this word is followed by noun. So this is possessive adjective. Have they had theirs? Theirs. No need of writing breakfast because this is pronoun and it has taken the place of noun. So it is understood. So this is possessive pronoun. You have forgotten to bring your book. Your. This is possessive word and followed by noun. So this has become here possessive adjective. You can have mine. If you please. Mine. This is possessive pronoun because this is not followed by noun. And this possessive pronoun has taken place of noun. They have lost their bicycle. There, this word is followed by noun. So this is possessive adjective. They can use ours. Ours, this is possessive pronoun because this is not followed by noun. If they like. So in this way you have to do this exercise in your book. Thank you.